Welcome to Tech Tuesday. This is July 4th, so happy America birthday. Now, if you're here, happy America birthday. Well, hello there, my name is Mike, and this is Tech Tuesday. It is also July 4th, so happy birthday, America. Now, in tech, there's a few things that are super important to us, and one is our setups, right? And this is mine. It's very American, and I chose to put it out today. So I just built this desk about 8 months ago, I would say, and it's fabulous. Now, there is a little bit of a wiggle, right? But it's a standing desk, and we're just gonna hop into. So, the actual tabletop is out of birch, and I went ahead and hand stained it and covered it in many layers of polyacrylic. What makes this desk important is the bottom part. So, I can't cable manage. Don't look at it. It's terrible. It's terrible. But this mechanism right here, this actual thing right here, allows this desk to go up and down, which is controlled by this little doohickey over here. Down and up. And you can see that number will actually move the desk. Oh. Problem is, my desk is kind of stuck here. So it's stuck here because this monitor doesn't have a long enough cable to go to the computer down there. So yeah, it's a little bit of a shitty situation that the standing desk can't really move up and down for myself right now. But for you, the legs are amazing. The legs have two motors, one over there, one over here. Makes it a dual, which is kind of what you exactly want. Now, the desk legs are about $230. This desk cost me about $700 all together, but you can pick up a countertop or a tabletop that's a lot cheaper. The coolest thing about this desk is I really wanted something that could carry a little bit of weight. So this can get up to 225 pounds off the legs, but this birch tabletop here, it is 74 inches long and 39 inches deep. And it's about 1.5 inches thick of birchwood, and it is heavy. It is about 80 to 100 pounds worth of weight, which is, again, heavy. And if you include that, the legs can only carry 225, so you're taking up almost half that weight with just the tabletop. So these monitors, everything else, that's why it wiggles a little bit while I'm touching it, but it goes up and down, and it is strong. It really, truly is strong. So just don't be trying to, do the nasty on this table legs and you'll be fine. These do have super long feet on both sides. Again, it's dual motors. It can go between this amount of height, and this table is probably the tabletop is probably the biggest you want to go ahead and put over here, just because it is huge. And yeah, you probably want to go ahead and get a smaller one. I actually put this to the max length down here between the two legs so it could actually carry this size, but we're still having some overhang right on each side. So, and then over here, it's still pretty good overhang too. It's also pretty good overhang over here. So you just have to be aware of what you're doing. For a Chinese product off a no-name brand called Vivo, I really do recommend it. I've had it for a while. It has a 3-year warranty. And I just feel like it's pretty great. I'm super happy with this purchase. It's super nice to have this table. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. My name is Mike. We make videos every single day. Go check them out. And I hope you have a wonderful, happy 4th of July. I'm ready. I'm set. Ready to go. Except I gotta go after this video now. So I love you. Have a good day.